Well, today is the day I'm glad I have more than 2 colors of queen marking paint. And there she is. There is the unmarked queen. Right there. And the marked queen was on that frame right there. So I'm gonna set the phone, pause the video, and I'm gonna mark this girl. Then we're gonna finish the video. We're gonna go find the yellow queen. Well, I just set her on the frame. Where'd she go? She go around to the other side. Well, pooh, she got a purple dot on her. There she is. She's got her head in the cell. No wonder I couldn't see it. They're already trying to get the purple dot off of her. Oh well. This is going to be fun. Set her on that frame. Hopefully the yellow dotted queen's still on this one. Yep, there's the yellow dot. Right there. So that would be the mama. They have raised a daughter, I would assume, or here's another theory. There was 2 queens in there when I brought them back from the canola, and they've never killed either one of them. So we don't really know which one the mother and which one the daughter is. But first thing a bunch of beekeepers would do is make a split. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let this game play out. I don't know where she went now. Dark queens are my weakness. And she may have went on over to another frame since I just set it in the box. But anyway, there's proof that 2 queens do exist in the same colony. I have read where there is up to, they say, 20% of all colonies have 2 queens. Roger Patterson, an English gentleman that does a lot of videos with Bibba, B-I-B-B-A, British Bee Improvement. Yeah, escapes me right now, but anyway, he's seen 3 queens in a colony. I'm not going any further. I'm not going to upset the balance. They've got plenty of brood. The brood looks healthy. I do not want to upset them because then they might get in the idea of killing another queen. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, this is my essential oil mixture. It is August 27th and I am giving them a spray. If you like the videos, share and like them. Thanks for watching.